here from the fashion culture. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so every time I upload you'll be notified. So in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about a decision that I've been thinking about making, but I'm not sure. As you can see by the title, it says moving to LA question mark. I'm going to be talking about, am I moving to LA or not? So let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some clips of me looking at an apartment in a school in Los Angeles, California, which is where I want to move. But I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about that before I show you guys those clips. So for over a year now, maybe almost 2 years, I've known that I wanted to move to Los Angeles, California. Also, I just filmed a video about going to school in New York City. So if you guys see me in the same getup, yes, this is the same hair and makeup or whatever. But anyway, I've known I wanted to live in LA, but I didn't know when I was going to make the move or whatever. So I was going to make the move this year. Actually, in June of this year, I had a move-in date, June 7th, 2018. I was supposed to move to downtown LA, but something, I don't know, I just kind of got a sign from God saying, I don't know if you should do that yet. So I kind of put a pause break, and I was like, you know what, I knew I was gonna go on a family vacation with my friends, which you guys seen in my LA vlog. And basically I was like, let me look at an apartment, because the apartment that I got, it was really nice. My aunt actually went and viewed it for me. I'll insert a clip of that where she, or actually I won't, because I might move into that apartment, so I don't know if I will do that yet. But she had viewed the apartment for me and whatever, and it was good. She sent me pictures, she sent me videos, and she told me what she thought about it. So she did that all for me because, you know, I wasn't gonna, well, I actually was gonna fly to LA, but my grandma just thought it would be a good idea to ask my aunt Amber because she was already out there. And then, like I said, I had a move-in date, and then I got a sign from God saying, I don't know. I had just got Chanel, and it was just a lot. I'm like, do I really want to move to a new city with a new dog, a new car, finding a job, going back to school all at one time? And I just thought I would be very overwhelmed. I'm very anxious, and I struggle with anxiety, and I just thought it would be a lot for me at that time. So something just told me no. And it's funny because I just watched a video of Jayla Corian, and she kind of said the same exact thing. Like, she kind of just had this anxiousness about moving there, and I know exactly what she's talking about, you know, because she said she literally had an apartment set up and she was about to move in the next few weeks, and that's literally what happened to me. Lost my $500 deposit, but I was not tripping it, or a holding fee. So I was like, okay, when I go on this vacation, I'm going to view an apartment or 2 or 3, and I'm going to view the school and see what I think about it. So that's what I did, and that's what you're going to see in these clips. And right now I'm still just trying to figure it all out. I think the one thing that's holding me back from LA is definitely the traffic. The traffic there is horrendous, and I know I have really, really bad anxiety. So I just feel like I'll be spending most of my day sitting in traffic, traveling back and forth to work and college. But I still think I'm going to just suck it up and make that move. I'm not 100% sure yet. So basically these clips were just showing you guys me trying to get a feel of the area, what apartments look like, what the rent looks like, what a school will look like if I decided to go there. And at this point, I don't know. I know that's kind of what the title is saying, am I or am I not? At this point, I really don't know if I'm moving to LA, but I know it's something I really want to do, and I hope to do in the next few months. But the question is still on the table. So I kind of wanted to just quickly film this intro for you guys, so you guys wouldn't just see a whole bunch of clips and like, what is going on? So at this point, no, I'm not officially moving to LA. I was supposed to move like 2 months ago, but yeah, had an apartment and all, but I don't know. I want to hear your thoughts. If you live in LA, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Once again, it is what I want to do. I think there's amazing resources there. I love being there. I love the energy. The food sucks, the parking sucks, the traffic sucks, but other than that, I really love being there, and I'm really, really considering it. But I don't know, I kind of just feel like I need to follow my heart, but at the same time, I don't know what that means. I don't know what my heart is telling me to do. So yeah, in the next few months, I'll finally make a decision, and I'll either move there or somewhere else. I'm definitely getting out of Jersey. I hate Jersey. Born and raised here for like 20 years. Lived in New York City for like a year and a half, but I'm ready to leave. And yeah, I was considering moving back to New York City, but the weather sucks. So I don't know. But I really think I am just going to just suck it up and move to LA. Let me know your thoughts in your comments down below, and let's just go ahead and see the apartment and the school. Oh, this lighting sucks. But hey guys, I just got dressed really quickly. I'm about to head to school. My lift is here. I look crazy. I woke up too late, so yeah, but it's right outside. Okay guys, so the tour is at 10:30. I got here like right at 10:30, but I just didn't know what like building, because I never got the confirmation, or if I did, I just can't find it. But everyone seems really helpful. So I'm on my way to the Student Affair building just to get a quick little tour of the campus. And then I'm going to try to speak with an academic advisor to see, you know, what steps should I take to try to come here. So the campus tour is finished. I'm about to see if I could just go speak to like someone real quick about transferring possibly, and then I think I'm gonna go downtown to see if I can find a vendor for my lashes, and then later on I have an apartment viewing. And then yeah, I don't really have anything planned for the rest of the day. Kind of don't want to really do anything. I've done like a lot. Like I've been to Disney World, I've been to Venice Beach, I've been to Hollywood, I've been to Rodeo Drive, I've been to Santa Barbara. Did a lot in the last week, so I just kind of want to chill. Okay, sorry you guys can hear like the grass getting cut in the background, but I was supposed to go to an apartment viewing today, but it's in Koreatown, and I was like, you know what, let me not be biased, let me not be judgy. Let me just go see what the apartment looks like. Let me go see the area. But I really don't want to live in Koreatown. It's just not my vibe. And that's, you know, no shade. It's definitely like more affordable. But I'd rather live like downtown or Sherman Oaks, somewhere in a valley. Hollywood and Koreatown are just not my vibe. So I decided not to go, but I do have one at 3, and I think seeing only one apartment is fine because I'm like not moving like next month or the next 3 months. But I do plan to hopefully move to LA. I don't know if I could do the traffic. We'll have to figure something out because I'm not moving back to New York City. Okay guys, so come to find out, I'm mistaken the day. I thought it was for today, but it's actually yesterday. So now I have to wait about 30 minutes to see the apartment. So far the lobby looks really nice. So we'll see. So they have a rooftop pool. Thank you. Wow.
Rooftop lounge. Anybody can occupy it.
Okay.
But if you did want to rent it for your own personal event, it'll be $250 an hour.
Okay.
We have a conference room right over here. Our conference room is first come, first served. So most common areas will close at 10.
Okay.
I'm a little sketchy about the conference room. I have to find that out.
Okay.
I haven't been here that long to really, because that's a good question.
Okay.
I thought I live here. I'm gonna check it out.
Right.
So we have television integrated into the mirror over there. It's cool. It's not on right now.
Okay.
But when they are, it's playing through the mirror. And then we have the gaming table.
Okay. This is beautiful.
Fireplace, as you can tell, pool table.
Right.
We have television on this side. Great view.
Right. Beautiful view. Yes. Yes, it's gorgeous.
I don't know. I used to live in Hollywood for a year. I kicked and screamed to come to downtown. I was like, no.
Yeah.
It's gonna be as fun as.
I knew early on I didn't want to live in Hollywood. It's not mine.
Yeah. It was. I didn't know it at the time because I was in that mix.
Right.
But downtown is so much better.
Yeah, I can tell.
I love downtown. Yours are less expensive than the.
This is a studio.
What this flower fridge looking like? Yeah.
No, I need more space.
Something to drink?
No, I just got water. Thank you.
Okay.
What's the price for the studio?
528 square footage. The junior one bedroom is going to be 578. So.
Okay. Nah, a little more.
A little more?
Yeah.
You might need the bigger one bedroom then, because as far as I'm concerned, the junior one bedroom is not, you know, it's small.
Yeah.
Apartment.
Wow. So I have the doorbells in front of each unit.
Correct.
Oops.
These go. Take a look at the bathroom. The tub here is so deep. I love taking showers here.
Wow. This is beautiful. And each unit includes washer and dryer, right?
I'm sorry, I'm so happy.
Yes, they do. Okay.
I mean, I've been looking for the Snicker bars.
You are so funny. Oh my God. Yes, washer and dryer.
That girl today.
I have a closet in the main hallway.
What did you say?
I said each unit comes with washer and dryer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Washer and dryer. But this unit will have the coat closet. The other one we're going to won't have that.
Okay.
So you gotta get real creative like I did. That's why I call it the dream. It's so nice and I like it.
Oh my God, this is so cute. How much is this unit?
Typically, it can start anywhere between 2.5 and go all the way up to 2.8.
Okay. See, I don't need this much kitchen. I feel like this is wasting so much space.
For you. For me, I love it.
Yeah. I don't really, I'm not the kitchen person. And this is the balcony. See the common area. Yeah, I think the junior would probably be my style. But this is nice.
Yes, that's what they have in their fridge.
So this is really, and this is pantry right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, a lot of storage. That's good. See, that's too much storage. I mean, I guess I could use it as, you know, it's a closet right here. So everything is keyless. You don't have to have keys to enter. Thank you. Bathroom. Little front area, that's really cute. This is the washer and dryer right by the bathroom. I like that it's not by the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a cute little size bedroom. Closet.
Somebody stole the TV out of here. Wow.
Oh yeah, and what's this a month?
This could be anywhere between 2.1, going all the way up to maybe 2.4, 2.5. I gotta remember which model.
This is so cute. Yeah, I really, just me and my little puppy. This is a cute size. This is really cute.
And depending on what floor, somebody can even get these in the 2000s to like 20, 50 or something like that.
Yeah, my range is like 21. That's what I'm looking for. But I really like this one. What size bed? Queen? Okay, perfect. Queen will be perfect. I guess I would put my little vanity here. Okay.
Oh, this is for your view that you saw from the bottom.
Right. And you can rent this as well?
Well, you can rent this clubhouse from window to window. It's $500 an hour in this case, but you want to come hang out freely.
Right.
You know, 4 grills. They have a ping pong table, Zen garden.
And this is what closes at 10 as well?
Huh?
This part closes at 10?
Yes.
Okay.
Supposed to.
Okay.
And then here is the other room. We also have a theater as well. Yeah. I think it's locked. So the theater room is probably locked, but you know, you can reserve it as well.
Okay.
Go there and watch free cable.
And then the other
I
part.
love the amenities here.
Yeah.
And
Very beautiful.
voila.
Yeah, it's gorgeous here.
I figure, I put it like this. By the time I spend the money to go to the grocery store, the aggravation to cook the food is worth the dollar.
I agree. My biggest problem is cleaning. I hate that you gotta use 7 pots and then you gotta clean each. No ma'am.
Here's everybody spoken like a true student.
No, I can't. It's just like if you want rice and asparagus. No ma'am. Open 24 hours. Oh my God.
We do classes. We do like guns and guns, yoga, spin class.
Wow.
All this, you know. I mean, really everything is
Huge. Up there she was saying they do classes, like spin, yoga.
That is smart. Remember?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you get me?
She is so nice and so funny. Okay, so I just finished building the apartment. I'm waiting for my lift right now. It should be pulling up any second. I'm about to just go back to the hotel. Maybe get some Applebee's, I don't know. I really like this apartment. It's kind of expensive, but like the lady was saying, everything is right here. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Again, don't know what I'm going to do, but in the next few months I will. And as you guys know, I definitely will bring you guys along the process. If I do get an apartment, if I go apartment hunting, I'll show you guys that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye, dolls. Stay fast.